beautiful. That's gonna be a good one. I forgot to pull back on that. It's actually starting to come down now. No wet white t-shirt contest, guys. If it comes down even more, I gotta pack up and go.